Level 1, 6 count, Peter and Naomi. Y'all rocked. Frankie Sixes, that was review, so we will show you the new stuff we did, which was cuddle.
They rocked this house. So the cuddle was
step, step, triple step, triple step, 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 triple step, triple step.
Switch the hand back. Ha ha. Just remember, this gets all weird and bonky. If you turn the hand over very early, life is better. Make it comfy, not uncomfy.
And followers, keep rotating so that you're not stumbling backwards the whole time. That really helps.
Then we did the American spin, just a tuck turn in place. So we did rock, step, triple step, triple step. The way I think about it is there's a big hula hoop around Naomi. I move the hands around the hula hoop. Her hands are still in relation to her.
So followers, when your hand moves, that means your whole body moves. You're not going to break it apart.
And you go one direction at a time and you hang out there.
I love this way. I love this way.
And then around we go. So when we do it together, rock, step, there's our basic one. Windy, uppy, woo!
And we promised you that we would show you it solo so you could practice. Followers, I'm going rock, step, triple turn, triple step. So that little pivot happens in between the triple steps.
That's only good for you to try the turn so you've ever been there before. That's not practicing following. That will be different when someone's actually holding your hands.
Correct.
That's it.